To integrate your video SDK live account, it's really simple to do. You only need an API key and the API key secret. Once you go towards your dashboard inside of Video SDK Live, just go towards the left-hand tab and press the key icon to get towards the API keys. From here, your overview might be empty, but the only thing you need to do then is just press Add New. You can give your project a name and then press the button Create New API Key. You will now get an API key, which you just can copy and paste. And you will also be able to have the secret key, which is currently hidden, but if you press the view icon, you will be able to copy and paste this as well. And your account has now been verified and you're ready to implement Video SDK inside your live chat without any issues.